Hello, my name is Vladimir Popov. I am a grade student of Böcek Ulus Gymnasium. The topic of our research is comparative analysis of Yakut and English national heroes based on characters of Manchara and Robin Hood. Republic Manchara sport games are going to be held in Gorny region of Republic Sakha-Yakutia in 2021. That's why I made a comparative analysis of Yakut national hero Manchara and English national hero Robin Hood. I compared their feats and lives, also have found some differences. The aim of the research is to do comparative analysis of Yakut and English national heroes based on characters of Manchara and Robin Hood. Objectives of the research: to study biographies of Manchara and Robin Hood, to study literature, publications and articles, to compare Yakut and English national heroes and find the differences. Object of the research: study the information about Manchara and Robin Hood. Subject of the research: the similarities and differences between Manchara and Robin Hood. Practical significance of the research: making a set of cards. What is a national hero? A national hero is first of all a person who is admired and acknowledged for their courage, outstanding achievements and noble qualities. He is not only a physically strong man, but strong-willed and smart as well. A national hero is a respectable and brave man. National heroes' names are well known in the history of the nation, and they are the first in the list of respected people. Khobachukov Fedorov Vasily Fedorovich Manchari-Basilay was born in the small village called Lekoy of Magina-Kangalis region in 1805. Manchari fought for equal life between the rich and the poor. There are many stories, songs and legends about his feats. He fought for the rights of poor Sakha people who lived under pressure of strict government authorities and rich people. Manchari-Basilay stood against the rich people in 30s, 40s of 19th century. He attacked them 18 times. In 1974, Lebanese head of the Laboratory for Plastic Reconstruction, Institute of Ethnography, USSR, Academy of Science Mikluka Maklaya, made a sculptural portrait of Vasily Manchari on the delivered skull, rejuvenating him to the age of middle years. He differentiated the rich in the two types: the rich who oppress people and the rich who treat people well. He fought against first ones. It started with a well-known rich man Chocho. Here you can see the place which Manchari attacked. Robin Hood was a kind, noble and strong-minded man. He attacked rich people and Robin in Nottingham Forest with his like-minded friends, and the things he took from the rich he gave them to the poor. He was a highly skilled archer. On this table you can see comparative analysis of Yakut and English national heroes. You can see their characteristic, name etymology, their opponents, significance of heroes, their used weapons and prototypes. On the second table you can see similarities and differences of Manchari and Robin Hood. For example, they are both national heroes. There are sport events named after them. There are many literary works, plays, songs and films. Also they have some differences. For example, the main difference is Manchari is a real person and Robin Hood is fictional characters. Here you can see some cards we made for Manchari sport games. Thus, we came to conclusion that nowadays the history, culture, literature, folklore, philosophical views and ethnos have a great influence on people, their ways thinking and their life. National heroes Manchari and Robin Hood are from two different countries. They have different nationalities and histories. However, they have some similarities and differences. Thank you for your attention.